All right, for number 9 and number 10, we're going to create an equation. We're going to write an equation. So we have to know a few things. We need to know, well, it's always going to be, usually y equals. Where do we start at? Where do you see our graph starts at on the y?
1.
You think you already know the whole answer? Well, let's go in progression here. Where do we start at, Zion?
We started at 1.
We started at 1. Thank you.
So, and then you go up, you go plus 1, 2, 1. So you're going to go up 2 and 1 to your left.
1 to your left. Down to 1 to your right. Right. Good. So what do we do with that 1 though? Where does that go in our equation?
It's going to be
At the end, right? So that's a positive 1. So at the end, we're just going to put plus 1 because that's where we started at on our y-axis. We put plus 1. Now, remember what we have to look for when we're looking at a graph? Well, we studied yesterday. What are we looking for when it comes to like where that next dot goes? Where it's crossing the what? Those like the edges, right? Yeah, so I'll kind of a little bit of visual. Where the line crosses those edges, that's really what you're looking for. So Zion already went through and she found that there's an edge that it goes through, so she put a dot there. If you keep going, there's another edge it goes through right there.
Isn't it 1 right?
Is it?
Yeah, 2 over 1.
And then it goes the other way as well. So notice, what I like to answer first, is this a negative or positive slope?
Negative.
It's a negative. So the slope's going to be negative. I'm just going to put my X in there. So from this dot to this dot, how many did we go? Did we go up or down?
Up 2.
We went down 2. So we went down 2. And then we went over. We went right how many? We went right 1. And that's what our slope is. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. So what does 2 over 1 equal?
2.
Just 2. Yeah, just 2. So this would essentially be our equation. Y equals negative 2x plus 1.
So if I would have put 2 over 1, that's what we got, right?
I would have counted that as full credit. Yeah. If it would have came down to like multiple choice answers, I think you would just see it as like negative 2x. So you'd probably look at it and be like, okay, just let me simplify it. It becomes negative 2. So good work. All right, let's see if we can do number 10. Y equals, all right, where do we start? Negative 3, good. Where does that negative 3 go in our equation? At the end, so we put minus 3. Is this a positive or negative slope? It's a positive slope, so this is going to be positive. Let's put our X in there. Z, can you tell us where's our first dot at?
So, wait.
What did you have to do to get to our first dot?
Wait, 1, 2. You're going to go 1, 2, and then 1 to your, is it the left? Wait, no, the right?
So still starting with the left and right. Yeah, so we're going to go up 2, right 1, because that's where you see it goes through the edge, right? Yeah, good. And you look at you can see all these other edges right here too. There's an edge, there's an edge, there's an edge, there's an edge. If you go the other way, there's an edge right there as well. So we know it's a positive slope. What did we do? We went up 2, right 1. So 2 over 1. That 2 means we went up. That 1 means we went right. What is 2 over 1 simplify to? 2. So our answer is y equals 2x minus 3. Good work. That's what I'm talking about. Right on. Okay? So excellent work right there. Go back and watch this video. If you still need help with it, I think there's other videos available before we did this.